Are these bricks?
Wait.
Who the toilet?
Did they forget a flush? What?
We found a brick in the toilet.
Hey, yo! These are actual rocks!
People bricks?
Oh, wait, it smells! Oh! Oh, it smells so bad!
It was dripping.
Dear God, how?
Would actually shit.
No. It's literally beer, right?
It's a rock.
It's a rock.
There's
No way.
Like, I mean, when that actually hurt in the house.
That would really show.
Hemorrhoids, man.
Oh, man.
Hemorrhoids.
You guys got fucking problems.
Yep.
Hemorrhoids.
What's wrong with shitting bricks?
Hey, gyomei, you're facing the wrong way again.
Oh. I mean, I'm the stone pillar. Why wouldn't I end up doing that?
so
But who could do that?